Before you buy Parallels, there are a few things you need to know. This software promises a lot, but before you pull the trigger, make sure you have all the facts. Whether you're coming from using VMware, VirtualBox, or even just running native Windows on your Mac, Parallels offers a unique approach to virtualization that might be just what you need, or it might not. Stick around as we break down the 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. First up, let's talk about performance. Parallels claims it offers top-tier performance when running Windows and other OS on macOS, and from what I've experienced, that's no exaggeration. Compared to competitors like VMware Fusion, Parallels stands out with its faster boot times, smoother operation, and better integration with macOS features like Retina display support. I've personally tested it running resource-intensive programs, and it does a great job without causing lag or slowdowns. If you're comparing it to VirtualBox, Parallels is definitely the more polished experience. Next thing, compatibility. Parallels is designed to work seamlessly with both macOS and Windows, offering an easy setup for a virtual machine. It's great if you need to run Windows apps alongside your macOS applications. While other software like VMware Fusion offers similar capabilities, Parallels has superior ease of use and integration with macOS, so if you're looking for a hassle-free experience, this is the way to go. Plus, with the ability to run Linux and even older versions of macOS, you get a lot of versatility for your virtual machines. The third thing you should consider is the user interface. Parallels is incredibly user-friendly compared to alternatives. Unlike VirtualBox, which feels more like a developer's tool, Parallels is more accessible for everyday users. Everything is laid out intuitively, and the installation wizard takes you through the steps without confusion. It's simple to switch between your Mac and virtual machines, and Parallels even lets you run Windows apps directly from the macOS desktop as if they were native apps. This integration can save you time if you need to jump back and forth between operating systems for work or play. The fourth thing to know is the price. Parallels isn't exactly cheap, especially when compared to VirtualBox, which is free, or VMware Fusion, which has a similar pricing model. However, Parallels justifies the higher price tag by offering better performance, ease of use, and a more polished experience. It's also worth noting that Parallels frequently offers discounts and promotions, so if you time it right, you can get a good deal. And with the first link in the description, you can try it completely free and get some exclusive benefits, making it easier to decide if it's the right fit for you. Next thing you should be aware of is system requirements. Parallels does need some system resources, so it's important to check that your Mac is up to the task. Unlike VirtualBox, which can run on relatively low-end hardware, Parallels benefits from a more powerful machine, especially when using advanced features like coherence mode. If you're working with an older Mac, this might be something to keep in mind. Parallels runs best on Macs with more RAM and a faster processor, especially when you plan to run multiple virtual machines or demanding software. The sixth thing that sets Parallels apart is its support and community. Parallels provides excellent customer support with a responsive team and a variety of resources for troubleshooting. You'll find a robust user community, as well as official documentation that's easy to navigate. Compared to the sparse support available for VirtualBox or the more corporate-feeling support from VMware, Parallels gives you a more personalized and user-friendly support experience. Finally, let's talk about the overall experience. Parallels integrates with a wide range of applications and services, including support for DirectX 11, which is crucial for gaming or certain professional applications. If you plan to run Windows applications, Parallels gives you that extra layer of performance and fluidity that you just won't find with other solutions. Whether it's for productivity or entertainment, the added features make Parallels worth considering if you need virtualization on your Mac. So, to wrap it up, Parallels stands out for its performance, compatibility, user interface, and strong support, making it a solid choice if you need virtualization software. But it's not perfect, and it may not be the right fit if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or basic. If you want to try out Parallels and see if it's the right fit for you, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits.